it going. So yeah, we're just using some polishing compound on this. This is not the exact correct mold, so we're off center a little bit. But after a lot of polishing here, coming out pretty nice. Certainly a long way from where it was. Let's see what it looks like here. Not too bad, huh? There's a little anomaly there. That's going to be covered by the chrome ring. I think we got it. Where is that ring? Keep looking there. Yeah. We'll be putting back one of these, which is outside diameters like that. So it covers all of the original damage. Yeah, I think it's going to look pretty good. All right.